Hello kids, let's learn how to draw an apple. Grab your pen and paper and start drawing with me. First I'm going to draw our apple's basic structure. Yes, you are doing right. Great! Now I'm going to draw small stem for our apple and one leaf. Great job kids! Now I am going to draw cute eyes for our apple. Wow, our apple is winking. Now I am going to draw mouth. See, our apple is teasing us. Now I am going to enhance our picture a little bit. Great job kids! Our cute apple is ready. Now I am going to enhance the picture. Wow, it is more visible to us now. It's coloring time kids. Wow, we have so many colors. Let's color our picture. We have red color. Let's color our picture. Pink color, light pink color, green color, light green color. Wow, our apple is ready. Hope you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Thanks for watching kids.